This video chart presentation of Ecolocap Solutions brought to you by AllPennyStocks.com. Ecolocap is a QB listed company trading under ticker ECOS. This chart's had some real nice spikes over the last year, holding the gains off the lows. Slipped back from highs around 3 cents recently. Looks like it found that support level again. Sharp move on Tuesday up almost 40%. Decent volume, 1.3 million shares traded, which is probably right about average or just below average over the last 3 months trading volume. The support level is certainly the key. We'll run through the indicators, see if they're giving us hints this rise might continue. You see the MACD histogram moving back towards zero. It says a bullish cross, the 12 passing through 26 EMA is about to happen. That's a positive sign for a trend shift. Similar look with the PPO. ADX, it's down very low, as are the positive and negative DIs. But again, anytime I see that negative DI up on top and the positive DI on the bottom, it's in a nice position for a reversal in the direction. MFIs started moving real quickly. A lot of buying pressure came in on Tuesday. While I look for that support level to be held, I'll look for them to break that key area and start trending over top of 50. It's a real nice look to the accumulation distribution, continually making higher lows. Looks like it also could make a new higher high. Tells me there's nice buying in this stock. That's reiterated by this Chaikin money flow, which is holding in the green, saying over the last 20 periods, buying pressure is outweighing selling pressure. It's a reference many times. CCI breaking through negative 100 is a buy signal for bottom feeders. Traders using that indicator caught that move yesterday. Full still, breaking back up through 20, shows there's some bullish momentum trying to start in this play. Tricks, it's a lagging indicator, just not going to get much from that on a stock that's fallen off that 3-cent high down to around a penny and a half. RSIs gaining some steam. 7s just now broke through 50. 14 and 21 are right at that point as well to move into bullish positions. Now I think it's pretty clear that some support's been established at 1 cent. That would be an absolute bottom support I'd have to see hold. But with the stock closing at 0.17, that's still a little bit too far away for me. I'm looking for something that's a little bit more bullish to show that this is going to continue. And for starters, that's holding over top of this red line, the 200-day moving average, which happens to coincide with some pretty decent static support dating back 5-6 months ago. So that 0.13 area, that would be the absolute bottom I'd be looking for now. And I think it's also notable that this stock just moved above another resistance point right there at 0.165. In the most bullish of worlds, it's going to hold that level and then try and challenge this 50-day moving average at 0.19 as a dynamic resistance point, with top-end resistance coming in again around 3 cents. Now, it will meet a little bit more there in the middle, right around 0.21. But I think if it can move above this 50-day, it has a decent shot at challenging that 3-cent mark again, and perhaps 52-week highs up around 4.5 cents. In order for that to happen, we're going to have to see a spike in volume, reaching that 5-7 million share area. But in the near term, as far as the candles go, I'm looking for that dynamic support to be held. This chart came up in one of our bullish investor scans because of the spike in share price on Tuesday. And with it holding over top of that 200-day and having a pretty nice upside to resistance points, this is a chart to keep an eye on to see how it performs from here. As always, merely my interpretation of the ECOS chart. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the AllPennyStocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or its video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.